Hey everybody, I just fainted. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Beeda. Okay, so basically, I'm eating pasta from last night because I haven't eaten and it's 2 o'clock and I just fainted like half an hour ago. So, but as I was looking for something to eat, I was looking in my refrigerator and I see chicken in there. And I'm like, you know what? It's New Year's Eve, it's winter season, we're gonna make some chicken noodle soup. So, this episode of Cooking with Beeda, chicken soup edition, here we go. I don't want to touch the screen with it. Okay, well, I don't know when that stopped recording because the memory card ran out of space from my last video, but we're peeling carrots now, and yeah, that's basically what we're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel, let's say 4 or 5 pretty good sized carrots. Particularly like my family, we like a lot of carrots in our soup. So if you don't like carrots, go ahead and do less. If you don't even want them in your soup, you know, don't put them in your soup. Okay, let's go ahead and chop up the carrots. Ta-da! It took me a while to cut all these up, and I tried to make sure they were small enough and thin enough so even like the big pieces I cut in half. They're not all the same shape, but who cares? So next we're just going to go ahead and put it in our gigantic pot right here. This is, I think, 8 quarts. 8-quart Dutch oven. So let's go ahead and dump all the carrots in there. Now when you're scraping stuff off with a knife, use the dull side of the knife, like the back side of the knife, to push it off so you don't dull the blade. That, my friends, is a whole buttload of carrots in there. Covers the whole bottom. We still have celery and, oh, a whole onion. So I need to go ahead, peel this, cut this up, cut the ends off of this, wash these, and cut them up as well. Now the thing is that my eyes are really sensitive. So whenever I'm cutting an onion, I cry for like about an hour, which is not good, like at all. You know, when I'm down at the beach with my cousin, and it's like a really hot day, and we just like come back from like the pool or the beach or wherever, and we've been like walking around all day and stuff. Sometimes she just smells like an onion or like a sunshine, you know? Like she's not ashamed of it either. She'll blatantly be like, man, I smell like sub, but yeah, I just wanted to share that information. Emma, if you're watching. Now, speaking of the beach, me and her are actually going down this year. You know what? I've heard that if you put a piece of bread in your mouth like this, it blocks all of the onion coming up. So let's go ahead and try this. I think my bread's too saggy. My eyes hurt so bad. I'm starting to tear up. Oh! Also, like, as you have the bread in your mouth, it starts to get moist and it just goes like boop, and then it lets all the onion, you know? I'm crying so hard right now. Okay, all of the veggies are in. It's a lot, but you know what? Chicken noodle soup is not chicken noodle soup without a lot of veggies. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a tablespoon of butter and we're going to put it in with the veggies and saute them until the onions and everything else are a little bit tender and see-through. So we'll set up a time lapse of that. Okay, so I'm literally crying. While the onions and celery and carrots continue to saute, I filled up a pitcher full of 6 cups of water right here, and we're going to go ahead and make our chicken stock. 1 teaspoon per cup of liquid. So I have 6. I need 6 teaspoons of this. Fun fact, a tablespoon is 3. So if I just do 2 of these, that's all I need. This is what it looks like basically. You need to like get it wet, and then you just, it plops in there. I mean, I just wash my hands, so I can just use my finger like this, and then just, you know. And then we need another one. There's that. This stuff is very salty, so even if you use less than the exact amount needed per cup, you'll most likely be fine in the salt department. If you want more chicken flavor, I recommend putting more poultry season in, which that's what I do.
Come here, I want to show you this goodness. See all that in there? Just go ahead and put it in. If it didn't mix in, you'll mix it in here with the vegetables. No big worry. If you want to get it out, go ahead and just mix it up in there and pour it back out.
So now you mix this up. Make sure all of the vegetables are off the sides. Get them down in there. And you need to boil this for a good... I'd do 20 minutes. And if your vegetables are thinner or thicker, the time will of course depend on that. But since mine were a little bit thick and chunky, I'm gonna go for 20 minutes. And then at the 20-minute mark, actually, at the 10-minute mark, I'm going to go ahead and put in my chicken so it can suck up all of the good tastiness in the broth and get it all nice and warm and get it tasting good and all that stuff. So we're going to go ahead and put a lid on this and set a timer for 10 minutes. So get it to a rolling boil like this and go ahead and turn it down to medium. Don't put the lid back on quite yet or it will overboil. Just a warning. The easiest way to chop up chicken, in my opinion, is you take a pair of kitchen scissors and you just cut away. So I don't want huge chunks of chicken floating around, so we're gonna cut it in pieces about this big. If you can see that. It's a good chicken amount, right? I think my favorite thing to make with chicken is probably a chicken and cheese quesadilla. That's basically what I ate when I had keto because I found these really low carb tortillas. And yeah, I literally just thought of that vine too.
Hurricane Katrina! More like Hurricane Tortilla.
Okay, so this is my big pile of meat. I don't want to get burnt. Please don't make me get burnt. Please don't splash up on me and hurt me. I really don't want that to happen. Okay. I think that's the right amount of chicken to vegetables. I think I can only put one bag of what's it called? Noodles in here. But I think it looks good. Okay, so it just cut off. So, okay, I found this piece of carrot. It's not even focusing, which is a great job. It seems soft enough. Oh yeah. That's a good carrot. So, the vegetables seem to be soft enough. Now what we need to do is add a little bit more water with the stock and put in some noodles. So let's do that. Base mixture in here so it would melt and mix in. Oh yeah. Now that's looking good. Okay, so we need to bring this up to a rolling boil again. To make really, really, really good chicken noodle soup, we use like the Klusky noodles. Like, they're like these thin, like Amish made noodles. I'll throw up a picture. But I don't think we have any. Ooh. I think we do. So as I was saying, we usually use these noodles, the homemade Amish Klusky noodles. We get them from the Amish market here in Pennsylvania. And yeah, they're basically just like, oh, what's this noodle called? Like a linguine fettuccine type noodle. So, but I don't think we have enough of these to put in that big pot. So, oh, okay. Oh my gosh, I love when like you pour in like noodles from like a box or a bag into like soup, and it all gets trapped in the bag and it smells really good. And we are just stirring them in. I think this might be enough actually. I think I have enough broth, I have enough vegetables, I have enough chicken. My camera's gonna die soon. So we're basically just going to let the noodles cook now. These noodles take a long time because they're really dense. So yeah, basically I don't know the time. Just like keep checking. And if you have like egg noodles, they don't really take that long. So yeah, let's see when our noodles are done. I'm gonna go change the battery and charge it. Who's walking in my yard? The camera just died because I have another dead battery. Oh, it's okay, I'll charge them. The soup is done. The noodles are puffed up. It is time to put some in my bowl. Let's see how good it is. Get some broth in there. That up. So, this is the finishing touch, or this is the finishing look. A big chunk of chicken. Ooh, it's hot. This tastes so good. And the noodles. Look how big the noodles are now. Let's get a carrot. This is good. This is really good. Okay. Before I eat anymore, I'm going to end the video. I'm really cold and this is warming me up, and it looks like fall outside, like it's not winter. But you know what? It's still soup season. That was how you make chicken noodle soup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys will enjoy your own chicken noodle soup. As I said, the what is it called? The recipe's pretty flexible, so you can add whatever vegetables you want. I'll write up an actual recipe down below, so if you want to follow it word for word, or you can just follow the video. You can do either. I'm like distracted by this soup because it's so good, and I want to just like shove it in my mouth, but I can't. Okay, so as I was saying, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below like what cooking video you guys want me to do next. So I don't really know. I'll take any suggestions. This was basically just like on a whim. I decided to do this, but those carrots are so good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.